To know more, learn more. In this video, I will tell you about how to find the best hashtags for TikTok. Here are the main points. Importance of hashtags, choosing the right tags, testing your tags. Let's get started. Putting hashtags under your videos not only allows you to gain more views, but will also help your videos appear in front of the right viewers. But the important thing to note here is that you need to choose the right kind of tags for your videos. Number 1. Importance of hashtags. If you ask someone about TikTok, they'll almost certainly recall one of the app's viral hashtag challenges, such as the #FlipTheSwitch or #EyesLipsFace challenges. It can't be denied. Hashtags play an important role in the TikTok experience. The Discover tab on TikTok is even categorized by trending and popular hashtags. TikTok uses hashtags in the same manner that Instagram does. They're a service that helps people share and search for material by categorizing it and organizing it by category. If you have a public TikTok account and add a hashtag to your video, the hashtag, or hashtags, is used to label and arrange your video. And there's a lot of discussion about whether hashtags like #FYP, #ForYou page, and #ForYou get your videos a place on the For You page. In fact, TikTok has a hot category dedicated to this issue, with hundreds of videos of viewers explaining their ideas. Whatever the case, these hashtags play an essential role in bringing your content to a suitable viewer. Number 2. Choosing the right tags. Choosing how specific or how wide your hashtags will be might be the most challenging component of using hashtags. While we encourage being precise with your hashtags, going too specific is never a bright idea. Keep in mind that hashtags are all about what the user is looking for. Consider if your target audience would really put this into the TikTok search bar before adding a hashtag. So start broad, then go towards more specific tags. But the great thing about TikTok is that it is easy to discover new and trending hashtags. To see what's trending, go to TikTok's Discover tab. You can click through to see what's hot. Since so many people are browsing through, it's always a smart idea to jump on the trends. After all, if you use trendy hashtags, your videos are going to get more engagement. Number 3. Test your tags. The last thing you need to know is that TikTok only allows you to use 100 words in its description, which includes tags and descriptions. So you should focus on making the most of this space and using the right sort of words. Now that you have chosen your tags, it is time to test them. Yes, the great thing about TikTok is you can check how well your tags are working for you. So keep track of which hashtags you use in each of your videos and the number of views they receive over time. Different hashtags will work for various sorts of videos. It's all a matter of trial and error on your end. If you experiment with hashtags, you're bound to find ones that perform amazingly for your content. Now, when you have found the tags that work best for you, it is better to write them in your Notes app so that you can simply copy-paste them the next time you are going to upload a video. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and watch the next video to learn more.